Hey guys, good morning. Come with me and Genesis to take her to school and go to Publix so that way I can get lunch for work. It is 9:17. School had a 3-hour delay today, so her school doesn't open until 10:30. So come right along with us to Publix, and then we might stop at QT. I'm not for sure yet. I need to get gas. If not, I'll wait till later because it's freezing outside. It's like 35. But come right along. Okay, so since we're doing a ride along and Genesis is still in the car before she goes to school, sorry, I said daycare, to school, I want to talk about in April, Genesis will turn 7. Right now she's 6, 7. I thought you was going to say it today. Okay, well, since she's turning 7 in April, we're going to take her to Disney World for her 7th birthday, which is very exciting. It's a group of us going. I think that we're gonna all do like a princess themed outfit with like skirts. Like she's gonna do Tiana, so she's gonna have on her Disney princess ears with a custom shirt that says she's 7, and then a skirt with some comfortable shoes because we know Disney is a lot of walking. I think I'm gonna do Minnie Mouse. I'm gonna do like a black skirt with a Minnie Mouse t-shirt and Minnie Mouse ears. And then I'll see what my sister and my sister-in-law wants to do, if they want to participate, which I'm pretty sure they will. And then my niece, I'm going to ask her what's her favorite Disney princess. I feel like she's going to say, I don't know why I want to say Cinderella, but maybe not. I don't know. I'll have to see. I have to ask her and see what she says. But I'm going to ask my niece because she's coming, and I'm going to get her a skirt, and a t-shirt made because her birthday is also that week. So I might get hers with her age on there or something, like happy birthday with her name or her age. I'm not for sure yet, but that is something that we're looking forward to. I love a good vacation, and definitely for birthdays. Like we did the birthday party thing 2 years ago, and the year before that Genesis' first birthday was COVID, so she didn't have a party then. She don't remember it. Her second party, I think I did the Children's Museum. Then her third birthday party, I think I did like a jump house at this local little jumpy place where you can just rent it and have like a whole little jump, like a jump thing, whatever. And then I think the year after that we did a trip to the Great Smokies, like the wilderness or whatever, which I love, by the way. I love the wilderness over Great Wolf Lodge. 10 out of 10. That's just how I feel. Great Wolf Lodge is okay. The wilderness is amazing. It's just a long drive, like 3 or 4 hours. And then what else did we do? When she turned 5, when she turned 5, we did a big skating party for her because she loves skating. We did a skating birthday party for her. And then when she turned 6, we did Myrtle Beach. She took a beach trip for her birthday. And then now she's turning 7, we're going to Disney World. And then her golden birthday, she'll be 9. April 9th is her birthday. So when she turned 9, I really want to take her to Paris. I'm trying to think of somewhere nice. Maybe like either Paris or the Nickelodeon Resort. I always said I wanted to take her somewhere out the country. Like, we've been on a cruise and stuff, but she has a passport. I want to utilize it. I have one too. I'm trying to utilize her passport as much as possible. But yeah. So we'll figure that out in due time. But yeah, I'll be back, you guys. I'm going to the store, but she has no choice but to go because I'm not leaving you in the car. You're not gonna call law on me. Not that she a baby.
The roads are getting better.
Yes, because it was so icy and snowy. We're going this way. Where are you going?
I'm laying on you for now where I'm going.
There is still some ice though.
Oh,
look at the ice.
Ew.
I'm scared of that.
You're not.
Yeah, I am because I fell the other day.
That's ice.
Yes. And we are at Publix. We don't need a cart. I'm just getting a salad. It is freezing. Let's go towards the deli. You want a salad?
Yeah.
Do you?
I'll eat salad.
Oh, okay. You do like salads. It smells like crab legs. Yeah. Because it's so fresh. Everything's so fresh in here. That's why. Yeah, I'm shaking the camera. I'm walking crazy.
Regular salad with ranch on it. That's it.
That's all you want?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so they told us that they are making fresh chicken tenders for our salad, so we have to wait about 20 minutes. I don't really know if I want to wait 20 minutes, but I do need something to take for lunch, and I really want a salad today, so we're gonna wait 20 minutes. We have to waste time anyway, so we're gonna just walk around Publix, I guess, and get some stuff for the house, maybe.
Can I, when I'm on Roblox, can I and she was literally baking. Okay. What? Wait, can I hold it?
Yep. Okay, this way.
Oh, okay.
Let's go to the cleaning product. Because we are wasting time. And they are known, Publix is literally known for their buy one get one free. I don't know about y'all, but there's certain things that I like to come and get from Publix, and there's certain things I like to get from other stores. But when they have buy one get one free, I definitely get one item so I can get it half off.
How,
they have wipes right now.
how can you hold this? Like my hand hurts. How can you hold it?
Your hand hurts?
Yeah.
You gotta turn it off.
It's like I'm vlogging. Not like I'm vlogging. Imagine we were on the trip. Yeah, on the trip in the very rocket ship. They're ready to do that.
Oh, this is what I'm talking about when I say Publix has buy one get one free items. Like that Tide buy one get one free. Come over here, I'm gonna show you. See this little angel saw? Buy one get one free, or you can get one for half off. Always remember that. Anytime there's buy one get one free, you can get one for half off.
Love to say.
Then they have
This is love to say.
the paper towels, buy one get one free.
Candy.
I think it's a good deal, personally. Do we need it? No. Will I be buying it? No. But it's a nice look at. Kids eat this, and I'm like, yeah, kids can eat candy. I'm thinking she's pointing to this. She's like, no, mama, look up.
What is that?
Oh my God. Lord Jesus.
Lord to Jesus. What is this so weird?
I think that's for
That's a
for grown-ups. That's, she said it's appropriate. No, it's inappropriate. Yeah, good job. Okay, let's go back over this side so we can wait on our food.
Why is it so big? And I'm waiting for the food. You said
Buy
Publix.
two, get two free. Now that's a good deal right there.
You made me do this.
You see that? Buy two, get two free.
Mama, look, this is what you made me do.
A split almost.
Yes.
Chips, buy one get one free. Publix is expensive, but you catch a really good buy one free. Buy one get one free.
You got
Yeah.
at my school today. I usually stay at my school for 8 hours, but it's a half day, so we're staying at 4 hours.
4 hours.
That's why I'm lucky.
You getting a salad?
Why do you put those in mine?
You're not gonna eat all that. Mine looks yummy.
Yours, nothing.
Mine looks yummy.
Mine's gonna be so yummy.
Salads, and we are checking out. Genesis got a half salad, which is like $8. She excited about trying hers. And then I got the fire roll honey hot chicken salad, which was $11.99, which I'm excited to check out. So I'll let you know how it goes. Thank you for coming along with us to our Publix shopping trip to get our salads for lunch today. Genesis is about to go to school and I'm about to go to work. We hope everybody has a great day.
Yeah.
Thank y'all for following along with our day-to-day journey.
Everybody's
Say have a good day.
Everybody's staring.
Okay. Say have a good day.
Have a good day.